Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QAQC document series, today we will understand product data sheet. Let's start.
Why product data sheets, PDS, are important. Product data sheets are critical because they provide detailed product-specific information. They confirm model capacity and configuration. They support material approval process. They help verify compliance with approved specifications. Without PDS, correct product selection cannot be ensured. That's why product data sheets must be reviewed carefully before approval. What is a product data sheet, PDS? A product data sheet, PDS, is a document issued by the manufacturer that contains detailed product description, model numbers and variants, performance ratings, technical features, installation requirements. It provides complete information about a specific product model. What does a product data sheet contain? A typical product data sheet includes product name and model number, technical specifications, performance capacity, electrical, mechanical ratings, dimensions and weight, installation details, compliance with standards, manufacturer information. Objective of product data sheets, PDS. Main objectives are: confirm correct product model selection, verify compliance with project requirements, ensure compatibility with system design, provide installation reference, support QAQC documentation. Scope of PDS in construction. Product data sheets are required for mechanical equipment, pumps, valves, chillers, electrical equipment, panels, breakers, lighting fixtures, HVAC equipment, AHU, FCU, VAV units, plumbing fixtures and accessories, firefighting equipment, for all equipment and specialized materials. PDS and material submittal. Product data sheets are attached with material submittal, MAR, reviewed by QAQC engineer, evaluated by consultant, compared with project specifications, BOQ. Without PDS, equipment approval cannot be finalized. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include manufacturer, provide accurate product data, supplier, submit correct model details, project engineer, include PDS in submittal, QAQC engineer, verify technical compliance, consultant, approve or reject based on PDS. Common issues in PDS review. Common problems include wrong model number, capacity mismatch, non-compliance with specifications, missing performance data, incomplete documentation. Proper review prevents procurement errors. Relation with other QAQC documents. Product data sheets are linked with Material Submittal, MAR-MS, Technical Data Sheets, TDS, Project Specifications, Inspection and Test Plans, ITP, MIR, Material Inspection Request. PDS confirms the exact product being supplied. Records maintained. Records include approved product data sheets, consultant comments, compliance comparison sheets, material approval log. These become part of the QAQC documentation file. ISO and QAQC compliance. Product data sheets support ISO 9001 Quality Management System, equipment traceability, technical compliance verification. Conclusion. Product data sheets, PDS, ensure correct product model approval, compliance with project specifications, accurate equipment selection, strong QA/QC documentation control. If this video helped you understand product data sheets, PDS clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction quality control. Thank you.